This is the 27th lecture of the Semantic SEO course. In this lecture, we will talk about the topical map. In the raw topical map, we have just the entity and the attribute. Here, first we talk about the benefits of drinking water. Then we talk about what happens when you drink too much water. Now, in that case, we have the specific entity that is water, but we did not have explicitly attribute. Why? Here we have the implied attribute, that is the amount of water. What happens when you drink too much water? That means we have the specific amount of water. If it goes high, so that are too much. So this amount of water attribute is connected with this specific percentage of human body's water. This is also regarding the attribute, that is amount of water. Basically here we talk about the optimum amount of water, and these are connected to each other. And in that case, here we have the entity that is water retention, which is the health condition, and we have their root attributes. So these are connected to each other. My main message here you to that, once you choose one entity and one attribute, try to augment it further. Choose the predicate in a wise way and try to reflect it further and further. You don't always need to write your attribute clearly or explicitly. You can imply them, and these implications will create other types of connections that will help you to actually go further for other areas. Here still we talk about the benefits, but in that case we have the different water type. Here we have how long can you live without water, that is relevant to the fasting. And here we have drink too much water, so these are opposite to each other. And here we talk about the optimum level of water in our body. Then we talk about the water retention in the body. So you're able to connect all these things to each other while creating your topical map. Again we have mineral water, that is the different type of water. We have the attribute benefits. Then we talk about further water fasting, which is the activity for actually losing the weight. Then we go for the different condition of water like empty stomach. Then we talk about how to lose water weight, which is also connected here water fasting. Main point here is that from beginning to the end we always stay in the same context in our topical map. Sometimes we change the water drinking time or water drinking condition like empty stomach, and sometimes we change another attribute of water like hot and cold water. And whenever we change these things, we try to actually which query network we can directly target, and we continue with this type of consolidation. One more thing is that even if you want to repeat this process with this topical map, you will be ending up giving more authority to the civil part. It's a one of the good thing of this methodology. If your competitor imitates you, it will be giving you more and more authority. If you want, you can do that. Thank you.